Ayoko talaga na nabo-box ako sa isang political color.
Mhm.
Kasi before 2022, ano lang eh, ah, yung kulay ko talagang bandila ng Pilipinas. Yun yung
Mhm.
talagang pinaglalaban ko.
Yeah.
Na ayoko na binabox tayo sa isang political color.
Mhm,
Kasi
mhm.
dapat policy-based yung
Mhm.
laban natin. So, posibleng sinusuportahan ko itong politikong ito na maybe yellow or pink.
Mhm.
Pero hindi ko siya suportado all the way. Depende sa mga pinaggagawa niya,
Oh,
di
right,
ba?
right, right.
Pero I aligned myself with the pink, especially nung 2021 or 2022 na,
Mhm.
nung nangampanya na si Lenny. Kasi yun yung talagang na-promote yung transparency,
Mhm.
accountability, and good governance. At nakita ko yun when she was vice president.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I would say na I align myself with the pink
With
movement.
the pink movement, but not
Mm.
necessarily the pink personalities.
Yes, na yung tipong sasabihin, Lenny supporter. Kasi for me, I have this differentiation na Lenny supporter ka lang
Mm.
or pink. Kasi you can, well, lahat ng pinks, Lenny
Mhm.
supporter,
Yeah.
I believe.
Mhm. Hindi lahat.
Well, kasi may mga when you are pink, para sa akin, you believe in transparency, accountability, and good
Right.
governance. Pero may mga tumutulak kasi ng Lenny Robredo and Sara Duterte. So, rosa yung grupo nila.
Mhm, mhm.
So, for me, that's not pink. Lenny
Oh,
supporter ka
really?
lang,
Hmm.
pero, kasi,
Meron ba niyan? Lenny
may
and ano?
rosa
Talaga?
na tumutulak noon.
Oh,
Yung
okey.
gusto nilang,
Before.
before.
Okey,
Gusto
oo.
nilang presidente si Lenny, pero
Oo.
si Sara daw yung vice president. So for
Hmm.
me, Lenny supporter lang yung mga yon, hindi siguro sila pink. Kasi, when,
Oo. So,
when
it's
you look,
personal.
so parang pag sinuportaan mo kasi yung mga may, questionable, um, yung mga may questionable ang
Mhm,
characteristics,
mhm,
at hindi mo makita na they believe in transparency.
mhm,
Sabi niya pa nga, hindi daw importante yung honesty.
mhm.
So, that's a question to me. So, Lenny supporter ka lang, pero maybe hindi ka pink. Kasi pag
Oh,
pink
yeah.
ka, andun yun eh.
Right, 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 right.
Transparency, accountability, good
Mhm.
governance.